Which gift cards can be transferred to PayPal?
Hello and welcome. Today we'll be delving into the process of transferring gift cards to your PayPal account. This might be useful for you if you've received a gift card you're not planning to use, or if you're simply interested in consolidating your resources. It's important to note that not all gift cards can be transferred to PayPal due to varying policies among retailers, but there are a number of them that can.
Which gift cards can be transferred?
The primary aspect we need to discuss is which gift cards can actually be transferred to PayPal. This is dependent on the gift card issuer's policies, but generally, gift cards from major retailers like Amazon, Walmart, and Target can be transferred to PayPal. Other possible gift cards include those from eBay, Best Buy, Google Play, Apple, Sephora, Uber, Airbnb, and many others. It's important to check with the issuing company to confirm if their gift cards can be transferred to a PayPal account.
How can gift cards be transferred to PayPal?
Let's now take a look at how to actually transfer these gift cards to your PayPal account. Here are the general steps involved. 1. Log into your PayPal account. 2. Click on the wallet. 3. Add a new payment method. 4. Enter the gift card details. After these steps, the gift card balance should be available in your PayPal account. Please remember that this is a general guideline and the specific steps might vary depending on the gift card issuer.
Are there any restrictions?
Yes, there are some restrictions to bear in mind when transferring gift cards to PayPal. For instance, some gift cards may require a minimum balance for transfer, while others might have transfer fees. Also, PayPal might limit the number of gift cards you can add to your account within a certain time frame. And that's all about transferring gift cards to PayPal. Hopefully, this video has provided you with some useful insights on the topic. Remember to always check with a specific retailer or issuing company to verify the transferability of their gift cards. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more informative videos.